How do I replay an old snap on Snapchat?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be discussing a popular question many Snapchat users have, which is, how do I replay an old snap on Snapchat? By the end of this video, you should be able to replay those old snaps with ease, so let's dive right in.
Understanding Snapchat's replay feature.
First things first, it's crucial to understand that Snapchat is designed to delete messages and snaps once they have been viewed or after 24 hours if they are posted to your story. However, Snapchat does offer a replay feature, which allows users to replay one snap every 24 hours. Unfortunately, this replay is only available immediately after viewing the snap. You can't replay old snaps that you've viewed in the past.
How to use Snapchat's replay feature.
Let's walk through the process to replay a snap right after you've viewed it. 1. Open Snapchat and view the snap. 2. Once you have viewed the snap and it disappears, stay on the chat screen where you just viewed the snap. 3. Swipe up from the bottom or simply tap the snap you just viewed and want to replay. 4. You'll see an option to replay the snap. Tap Replay. 5. Please note, you can only replay the snap once, and it must be done immediately after viewing it.
What if I want to view an old snap?
As mentioned earlier, Snapchat is designed around ephemerality, meaning that viewing old snaps isn't inherently supported. But there are a few workarounds. 1. Save snaps in chat. You can press and hold on a snap in the chat to save it. This way, you can view it again in the future. However, this must be done before the snap disappears. 2. Use memories. You can save your snaps to Snapchat memories before sending them. Once in memories, they can be viewed again at any time. 3. Back up to camera roll. Another option is to save your snaps to your device's camera roll before you send them. This way, you have a copy stored in your device. 4. Ask the sender. If none of the above is possible, you can always ask the sender to resend the snap. Remember, Snapchat's rules and features may change over time, and some features might not be available depending on your device or your location. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on replaying snaps on Snapchat. I hope it's clear now that while you can't exactly replay old snaps, there are various ways to keep those precious snaps accessible. As with everything in the digital world, Snapchat's features are subject to change, so be sure to stay updated. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials like this. Happy snapping!